members of the fourth estate of the RIM, the press, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, on a lighter note, the legal issues talked about, you have to increase my salary for me to bring my legal knowledge to add to my ministerial duties. So you go and pay consultation and add to my salary. PS, you are the owner of the post, so add that.
And the procurement man is available.
Hello, welcome to Polities on the Wheel with J. And this is Elect TV. Please, if you have not subscribed, please do it to hit the subscription button so you can get much more of our video as we drop them soon. Now, breaking news: the atiku application to the court in the United States. There is now a development that the court actually have the jurisdiction to prosecute or to mandate the university to provide the document article is seeking for. You know that there was a report that the documents that were submitted by Bola Tinubu before the 25th February 2023 general election was fake. We could see that part of the document that was subpoenaed before the court, there was it was reflected as a female, and date of birth was not corresponding at all. Now, so much reaction to this have been on social media, mainstream media. People have been complaining from the opposition, and even his supporters are quite surprised as to the reason why he is fighting tooth and nail to make sure that the Chicago University did not release those documents. Excuse me. For example, I graduated from an institution here in Nigeria. So if there is any situation whereby they need to find out if I actually graduated from that school, why should I stop anybody from finding out if I graduated from that school? It doesn't matter the grade I graduated from. It doesn't matter at all. What matter was that what matter is that did I actually went to that school? Did I graduate from that school? Were my details accurate and correct as I presented them to be? So this is to show that if you even look at the ministerial nominees, you could see a lot of forgery cases. You know, some of them tendered documents that are not true. Some of them tendered documents that, you know, there's a lot of discrepancy, you know, within, you know, the Senate keep on asking, why are you doing this? You know, and all of that. This is to show that the head, if the head is rotten, you don't expect the body to be clean. That is it. So now, that's it from that angle. The Minister of Aviation, Festus Keyamo son, addressed his people today as he resumed office. You know, when you look at the address, the speech by former governor of Rivers State, Nelson Wike, if you look at his body language, the way he spoke, the way he talked, in as much as we don't welcome that his threat of demolition, but then, you know, it shows that he knows what he's here for. Unlike Festus Keyamo of Aviation, who doesn't have any knowledge of aviation. Aviation is a very technical place. It's just like taking somebody who studied medicine and surgery to handle the judicial system of Nigeria as a minister of justice and attorney general of the federation. He will not win any case. He will not be able to do anything to deliver. That was what happened to Festus Keyamo. 8 minutes of him talking today was total mess. He was not saying anything. There was no connection to the industry. But I believe that he's trying to play this team play. Let's work as a team to drive, since he doesn't have this proud knowledge of what aviation looks like. Please, what do you think at the comment section? Here is a video.
First of all, on a lighter note, the legal issues talked about, you have to increase my salary for me to bring my legal knowledge to add to my ministerial duties. So you go and pay consultation and add to my salary. PS, you are the owner of the post, so add that.
And the procurement man is available.
Well, welcome. I'm elated by this very warm welcome I received today. Very warm welcome. Mr. President did not send me here by mistake. I think he has clear ideas as to why he sent me here. And I will need your maximum cooperation to make us succeed. I understand, I've read your roadmap, the one developed in 2016. I think 2016, yes. Yeah, 2016. I read it thoroughly, point for point. And our intention is not to disrupt, things that have been done so well. Government is a continuum. Government is a continuum. If there are things that have not been done properly within the roadmap, we may look at them again. But I saw that what is only left is for us to know where we are, what milestones we've achieved in respect of each and every item on that roadmap. Like I said, government is a continuum. It's also the same party that's in power. And there are things that have been done properly well. There are things that have not been done properly well, things that I see in the pipeline. We'll look at all of it again. And as we start to get our briefings one by one, my intention is to get my briefings within the next few days. Even if it goes into 1 or 2 weeks, I don't mind. But we should do it thoroughly as we can. And then all of us collectively, I'm just primus inter pares. I'm just first among equals. We'll all work on this together, all of us. We'll think, through some of these things, develop our own ideas, and then take them to Mr. President for approval so that we can kick off.
Playing this video, a whole video, 8 minutes, is a waste because you keep on repeating the same thing over and over and over again. Thank you so much, and thank you for staying with me this far. Please do well to subscribe, comment, share please, and then let's keep the work going. God bless you. And not to forget, Peter Obi, the Imo gubernatorial flag off happened today, and everybody was present. It was a massive campaign rally today in Imo State.